Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. In the previous class, we have discussed about sum of n terms of a GP. Let us continue with the same. Last exercise, question number 2. How many terms of the geometric progression 1, 4, 16 plus 64 must be added to get the sum equal to 5461? Consider the GP terms, identify A is equal to 1 and the common ratio is T2 by T1, that is 4. So the absolute value, as it is positive value, it leads to 4, which is greater than 1. In this problem, we need to find out how many terms, that means n is the unknown value. The sum of n terms is given as 5461. So consider Sn is equal to 5461. As r is greater than 1, consider the formula Sn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. Substitute the value of a as 1 and r as 4 and Sn as 5461. And in the place of n, keep as it is n itself. So 4 minus 1 will lead to 3, just cross multiply. So 4 to the power of n minus 1 will lead to 16,383. Minus 1 to be shifted to the right hand side, it leads to 16,384. Express this value in terms of power of 4. Hence the value of n will be equal to 7. The required number of terms for the given GP is 7. Question number 3. The first term of a GP is 27 and its eighth term is 1 by 81. Find the sum of its first 10 terms. So it is given that first term is 27 and eighth term means a into r to the power of 7 is equal to 1 by 81, and we need to find out sum of first 10 terms, that means n is equal to 10. Let us consider the first two information, that is first term is 27 and the eighth term is 81. Let us find out what is the value of r. So ar to the power of 7 by a is equal to 1 by 81 by 27. That leads to 1 by 2187. Here, as we have power 7, so the 1 by 2187 should also be expressed in terms of in terms of power of 7. So it is expressed as 1 by 3 to the power of 7. So that leads to r is equal to 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is less than 1. So to find out the sum of n terms, let us consider the formula Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r to the power of n by 1 minus r, where a is 27, r is 1 by 3 and value of n is to the power 10. Here in the denominator, 1 minus 1 by 3 will be simplified as 2 by 3. So 27 by 2 by 3 can be written as 81 by 2, and as this cannot be simplified, the power is more, it can be written as 1 minus 1 by 3 to the power of 10. Question number 4. A boy spends rupees 10 on first day, rupees 20 on second day, rupees 40 on third day, and so on. Find how much in all will he spend in 12 days. So amount spent on first day is rupees 10 and amount spent on second day is rupees 20 and the amount spent on third day is equal to rupees 40, and so on. So if we calculate this, 20 by 10, that is equal to 2. Then 40 by 20, that is equal to 2. As the common ratio is same, we can solve this problem by using geometric progression. So the terms of the sequence will be 10, 20, 40. The first term is a, common ratio is 2, which is greater than 1, and I need to find out the total amount spent in 12 days, that is sum of 12 terms. As r is greater than 1, consider the formula Sn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. Substitute value of a as 10, r as 2 and n as 12. After simplification, the total amount spent on 12 days will be equal to rupees 40,950. Question number 5. The fourth and seventh terms of a GP are 1 by 27 and 1 by 729 respectively. Find the sum of n terms of a GP. So fourth term is given as AR cube, its value is 1 by 27. Seventh term is given as AR to the power of 6, which is 1 by 729. So when the value of two terms are given, to find out the GP we need A and R, that is common ratio. We know that we have to divide one term with the other one. So consider the greatest one, that is seventh term by fourth term will leads to 1 by 729 by 1 by 27. After simplification, value of R will be equal to 1 by 3, which is also less than 1. The absolute value of 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. So it is less than 1. So consider the formula A into 1 by 27 is equal to 1 by 27. Value of A will be equal to 1. So with the help of fourth term and seventh term, we have calculated what is common ratio and what is the first term. As R is less than 1, consider the formula Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R to the power of n by 1 minus R. Substitute A as 1, R as 1 by 3. So we need to substitute only A and R. Why? Because n is not given and it is asked to calculate sum of n terms of a GP. So only the denominator can be simplified, 1 minus 1 by 3, that is equal to 2 by 3, and in the final step, the simplified manner, we can write it as 3 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3 to the power of n. By this we have completed first 5 problems of exercise 11G. Thank you children. Have a nice day.